Alyssa, Megan, and Davis. Let's open it. Here, pull it. Ooh, yeah. Good job. Pull this. There. Alright. Oh. It's a Mr. Potato Head.
Let's see.
Is that cute?
Does that look like Dada?
Yeah, you can put all kinds of things on his face. Glasses and hat and mustache and stuff. Isn't that funny?
Jay, can you say thank you?
Alright. Yeah, it's got a little handle.
Mr. Potato Head.
Huh?
Thank you, cousins.
Right.